Hi everyone, my name is Bernardine and I'm a composer, performer and arranger. What you just heard was a short arrangement performed on the Medeli AK603. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 of its main arranger and performance features together with several sound demonstrations. Feature number 1 is Quick Settings, or also known as QS. Each accompaniment styles provide 4 suitable keyboard setups. These can change the voices, layers, part settings, and effects to match suitable and different sections in a performance. In the opening arrangement, I move through QS 1 to 4 to build the song from a lighter setup into something fuller, without selecting every voice and sound individually during the performance. Feature number 2 is the AK603's selection of instrument voices, including pianos, drums, guitars, bass, synthesizers, woodwinds, and many more. Let's hear a few examples. This demonstration uses only the German grand piano, allowing you to hear the tone and dynamic response clearly. Softer and stronger playing produces natural dynamic variations in the piano sound. Next is the AK603's electric piano voices, played without any additional layers. Its warm and rounded character works especially well for jazz, soul, and pop music. Here is a combination of string voices, also performed on its own. The sustained orchestral character works well for rhythmic string parts, melodic passages, and larger arrangements. This demonstration combines the tenor saxophone and simple changes in the rhythm section. Touch response and careful phrasing help create a realistic saxophone attack and articulation. The saxophone carries the main melody, while the rhythm changes help develop the backing arrangement underneath it. Feature number 3 is the ability to organize several voices across the keyboard. R1 is the main right-hand sound, R2 adds a second layer, and the left part provides a separate voice below the split point, which is assignable. For this setup, the keyboard is split between the synth bass in the left and the synth lead in the right. Both voices produces slight style effects when the notes are phrased correctly. This creates a complete bass and lead synthesizer setup on one keyboard. This demonstration begins only with the piano sound in R1. In the second half, I switch on a pad voice using R2 to create a more atmospheric sound. The automatic chord and bass accompaniment remains off. The piano keeps the rhythmic pattern clear, while the pad adds on a softer, more ethereal background. This is a split setup, with the bass in the left and a clavy voice in the right. The drum beat is added to create a more complete groove. This allows one player to cover the bass, the keyboard, and the rhythm parts all within one performance. This introduction begins with the electric piano and the strings, then changes into the recognizable brass attacks in this popular tune. The drums are used to build the introduction and are cut off after the brass section. This shows how voices and rhythm can be introduced or removed to recreate the changing textures in a song. Feature number 4 is live arranger control. Instead of leaving the accompaniment pattern repeating on one rhythm, the player can move between the main sections, trigger fill-ins, activate phrase pads, and control the ending manually. In this performance, most of the arrangements are controlled live. This gives the player direct control on how the arrangement develops instead of following a completely fixed backing track. Feature number 5 combines two very useful and practical tools: USB audio recording and performance memory. One captures the performance as an audio file, while the other stores personalized keyboard arranger setups for instant recall. This short passage demonstrates a gentle acoustic guitar voice and its realistic articulations. It also demonstrates how a performance can be recorded directly into a USB flash drive. This is useful for capturing musical ideas, reviewing a performance, or saving a finished audio file. Performance memory allows personalized keyboard and arranger setups to be stored and recalled instantly. For this final arrangement, I moved through memory 1 to 4 with different fill-ins, accompaniment sections, and phrases. performance memory makes it possible to prepare important sections of a song in advance and recall them instantly while performing. So those are the 5 main arranger and performance features of the Medeli AK603. Quick setting, realistic instrument voices, flexible split and layer setups, live arranger control, and tools for saving, recalling, and recording your performances. And that is the Medeli AK603. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and follow Medeli Malaysia for more tutorials, demonstrations, and performances.